Just gonna go through the simple way to clean a trout. Okay, so first we're gonna start at the poo hole. I'm gonna make one slice down. I wanna make one slice back up. There's no guts back here, so we're just gonna come straight down. All the way to the tip. Some guys will slice out that way and that way, and then rip everything completely out. Me, I'm just gonna dig it out where I can get. Disregard it, and then this is not something many people do, but works great. Simple ice cream scoop. You get down in there, nice and deep, past any bones you need to get past. Simply scoop it out. Get rid of the excess. A little rinse. By the way, my wife is a saint. Lets me do this here. You don't want to go too deep because we don't want to taint the meat with blood. And then you're ready to grill that bad boy. Cut it off.